Tonight, Duval County School Superintendent Dr. Diana Greene will speak with parents and teachers during a meeting at Landmark Middle School. School Board member Elizabeth Anderson is hosting the conversation. And Ms. Anderson joining us now via Zoom this morning. Good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning. Thank you so much for having me.
So what do you and the superintendent hope to accomplish tonight during your discussion?
The great thing about these chats with the superintendent is that there's not an agenda. The superintendent will present a little bit of information that's specific to the area that I represent in District 2. And then we get to just have two-way dialogue with the community. It's been a long time since we've been able to just kind of sit down together and hear from the community. And when people come to our public meetings or our board meetings, they share with us. But in a chat like this, it's back and forth. And so we're able to hear their immediate concerns and respond in the moment.
And for our viewers who are watching and are not quite familiar with District 2 and what that encompasses, it's basically all of the Duval County, the beaches, schools, also San Pablo, the Kernan area as well. That said, what would you say are the biggest challenges specifically as they relate to schools in your district?
Schools right now in District 2 are really doing incredible. I'm so proud of all of the work that they are doing. We have some incredible school building leaders and principals and administrators. And in what has been some of the most challenging and difficult times we've seen in the education space over the last couple of years, they are doing incredible work. In general,
basically criticizing Dr. Diana Greene for submitting a letter to him, giving him kind of a heads up that she'd like to ask the school board to raise property taxes. And one of those reasons being because she wants to be able to improve teacher pay. I know that this is early in the process. The school board will consider this, should the superintendent bring this to your attention, certainly on a larger level. But that said, knowing what you do about retention and the shortages that we have right now, would you support that idea?
So that's one of the great things about the chat tonight. What I can't wait to do is hear from the community. I'm elected to represent my constituency. I do know that we have over 1,000 vacancies in Duval County Public Schools, and about 800 of those are personnel directly supposed to be employed in our schools. That is a concern for me. And what we see is a problem with pipeline, and even more concerning is the number of experienced teachers that we are losing to other industries. And many of them are telling us specifically because that is salary related. We are 40th in the state for average salary in Duval County. And so, those are some of the facts that we got from the superintendent yesterday. The board will take it up as an issue on March 1st. But certainly if this is something that you're passionate about or you want to talk about more, then come tonight at 6 p.m. at Landmark.
And so you certainly hear the fact that there's a need to be more competitive when you're trying to retain teachers. And then also, could you catch us up? There's been this sort of back and forth in Tallahassee, specifically as it relates to possibly punishing districts that instilled mask, requirements. Can you catch us up, because Duval County is one of them, on this sort of back and forth, and whether or not, you're concerned that the district could end up receiving less money as a result of this punishment, so to speak?
Yeah, I think you said it. It's a constant back and forth, right? And it's not over until it's over. We heard this House proposal come up. The governor was against it. Now maybe he's supporting it. We haven't heard anything from the Senate. I don't know where they're going to land. But I do know this. Our priority in Duval County has been and will continue to be to take care of our students and the little children that walk through our doors every day, whether that is their health and safety or their academic performance and outcomes. That's our priority. And every dollar that we receive from the taxpayer through the state FEFP, the Florida Education Finance Program, is a dollar that goes toward children in our schools and making sure that we're providing them the best opportunity that we can.
Duval County School Board member Elizabeth Anderson, thank you for your time this morning. We do appreciate it. And we want to give our viewers the information also so that they can attend the public meeting tonight. The public is welcome, of course, to attend this chat with Superintendent Dr. Greene about schools located in District 2, which is the beaches and kind of East Arlington area. This begins at 6 o'clock tonight and will be held at Landmark Middle School on Kernan Boulevard.